Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to lesson 8. Lesson 8 in the kitchen. In the kitchen. Okay, in the kitchen we have scale. Scale. This is called scale. Scale. Storage jars. We store things in these jars. Storage jars. Storage jars. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Chopsticks. These two things are called chopsticks. Most Asians, especially the Chinese, eat noodles and other types of food with chopsticks instead of spoons. So chopsticks, chopsticks. Vegetable peeler, vegetable peeler, vegetable peeler. Faucet, faucet, faucet. Dishwashing liquid, dishwashing liquid. Sponge, sponges, sponge. Dish towel, dish towel. And this is the sink, sink, sink. Fork. This is fork, fork. Knife. We use knife to cut vegetables and fruits. Fork. We eat spaghetti with fork. Plate. The spoon, the fork, and the knife are on the plate. This white thing is called plate. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Kettle, 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 kettle. Calendar, colander, colander. Cereal bowl, cereal ball. Sieve, sieve. Cake pan, cake pan. Bucket, bucket. Dustpan and brush, dustpan and brush. Mop, mop.